What is a proxy server? A proxy server sits between a client and a destination. It intercepts traffic, then decides whether to forward, modify, or block it. Businesses often use proxy functionality inside security tools. That includes firewalls, load balancers, and web application firewalls. Let's break down how proxies differ for consumers and enterprises. Consumer proxies are mostly used for privacy or getting around content restrictions. They're usually browser-based and have to be configured manually. Enterprise proxies are built into the network itself. They run at scale with centralized control, traffic inspection, and policy enforcement. Now let's look at how they work. In a business network, a proxy intercepts a request, responds to the user to keep the session open, and opens a second connection to the destination. This gives the proxy visibility. It can decrypt traffic, inspect content, filter it, and enforce policies. It might also cache content or reroute traffic. For consumers, the user sets the proxy in their browser. Then, all web requests go through the proxy. The proxy masks the IP and forwards the request. Proxy servers bring different benefits depending on where they're used. Enterprise proxies decrypt TLS, enforce policies, log traffic, and route it based on rules, all without user setup. Consumer proxies focus on IP masking and bypassing blocks. They also help with location spoofing and limiting ISP tracking. But there are also some limitations. For enterprises, proxies can slow things down. Deep inspection adds latency. Management can be complex. Some apps might not work well with it. For consumers, free proxies often log data or inject ads. Some don't encrypt traffic, and many are run by unknown operators. There are also different types of proxies. First, based on their role in the network. A forward proxy sits between users and the internet. It filters and logs traffic, often used in business environments. A reverse proxy sits in front of back-end servers. It manages incoming traffic, used for load balancing and protecting web apps. Then we can group proxies by how visible they are. Transparent proxies need no setup from the user. They quietly inspect and control traffic. Explicit proxies must be manually configured. They give more precise control over traffic. Anonymous proxies hide your IP. These are usually used by individuals, not businesses. And finally, by protocol support. HTTP and HTTPS proxies handle web traffic. Some can decrypt HTTPS for inspection. SOX proxies support more types of traffic. They don't inspect, they just pass traffic through. To wrap up, proxies offer lightweight traffic control, but depending on your needs, VPNs, SWIGs, or SASE might be better options.